So in this portion, we are discussing about the average fixed cost. What is meant by average fixed cost? So first of all, we have to know about the average fixed cost refers to the per unit fixed cost of the production. It calculates by dividing the TFC by the total output. Means if we want to know about the average fixed cost, what is average fixed cost? We so total fixed cost divided by quantity, we will get the average fixed cost. I will show you this with the help of one example also. And what is the figure? Was the shape of the figure of its hyper average fixed cost is hyperbola. Here we will discuss about where the unit fixed cost declined along with the volume following to the rectangular hyperbola. As a result, the total unit cost of produce will be decline in the volume increases. This is the shape of average fixed cost hyperbola. Means what happened as we've seen here, the average fixed cost fall with the rise in the output because the constant total fixed cost. What is the shape of the total fixed cost? This is the shape of the total fixed cost. It's straight line parallel to the x-axis. So because of that, it divided by increasing the output. So what happened? When the output increases, we will divide it by the total fixed cost. And the curve in the figure is obtained plotting the point showing here. AFC curves is rectangular hyperbola, that is area under AFC curves remains the same at the different point. Whatever the points are there means outputs are there, it will be remain the same. So this is the hyperbola shape comes from the average fixed cost when we divided it by the quantity. So it does not touch any of the axis. It will not touch to the y-axis and to the x-axis because what is the at the zero level of output or in the positive value, any positive value divided by the zero will be remain infinite value. So that is why it will not touch to any of the area from there. So that is the average fixed cost. How can we find out the average fixed cost? What is the formula of the average fixed cost? Formula of average fixed cost is total fixed cost divided by the quantity. So we will find out the average fixed cost. Now we are discussing about the average variable cost. Average variable cost is the TVC of the firm divided by the total units of output. Whatever the output means, the total variable cost is there. Okay, we will divide by that quantity. We will get the average fixed cost. Its shape is U. It's because it is also AVC average cost refers to a per unit variable cost of production. It calculated by dividing the TVC. And AVC initially falls with increasing in the output once the output rises till optimum level. Okay, optimum level, then AVC start rising. It can be better understood with the help of this figure here, and then it will start rising to the here. So I've seen that AVC initially falls when the increasing in the output and reaching in the minimum level of the it start rising. AVC curves in the AVC curve is obtaining by the plotting of the points and AVC shape is U shape in curve is initially false and remains constant for a while and finally it starts increasing. So here we got that AVC. Now we are discussing about the average cost. What is the formula of average cost? Two formulas are there. Either you can add average fixed cost or average variable cost, you will got the AC. Or either you will divide it TC by the Q, so you will got the AC. So this is the formula, and its shape is also U, because what happened when the both AVC, AFC and AVC fall till the level of the two unit of output, the AC is also fall till point. So that is why its shape is like that. Next is from the 2 units or to 3 units, AFC continues to fall, but the AVC remains constant. So the C falls due to falling the AVC. It reaches to the minimum point of B, minimum point of Z from there, and uh, units 3 and 4 unit fall. AVC is equals to rises. So AVC AC remains constant. After fourth unit, up to the fourth unit, you can say, we can just assume that here there are units. Because of that, AVC is more than fall to AFC, and therefore AC starts rising. So this is the thing happened here in the AVC. So cost of average cost, I will explain you with the help of numerical. First of all, we will just go through the marginal cost also. So it is easy to see all the things in the one figure. Marginal cost, the additional cost incurred to produce one additional unit of output, it is called the marginal cost. The marginal cost curve is U-shaped. Marginal cost is relatively high at a small quantities of output. Then the production increases. It declines, then reaches the minimum value. Then when it rises, actually, what happened if the TC producing 2 units is 200 rupees and the TC is producing 3 units at 240, then what is the MC? So MC is equals to 240 minus by 200 equals to 40. So MC is the 40. So it is not affected by the fixed cost. We can say like that. We know that MC is additional to TC. When one more unit of output is produced, we also know that TC equals to TFC plus TVC. So as the TFC does not change with the changing in the output, MC is independent to TFC, and it is affected only to the change in the total variable cost, not in the total fixed cost. So let us see the figure of the MC is given here. It is diminishing and rising according to that when it rises. As seen, the MCs can be calculated in the both TC and TVC. MC curves is obtaining by plotting the points on different point and different there. MC shape is U-shaped curve, and MC is initially fall when it reaches to its minimum level, and the points after then it is start rising. The reason behind U-shape is the law of variable proportion works under is this. Now I will explain you this thing with the help of how can we find out, how can we solve the numericals with the help of that. So we will see this numerical figure. Here the quantity is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fixed cost, total fixed cost when the production is happening or not happening, total fixed cost is 100. Okay, so TC is equals to 100. When the production starts, the total fixed cost is 100, variable increase, so 120 is total fixed cost. Okay. When two unit of output is there, total fixed cost is 100, but total variable cost increase, so we plus 100 plus 137 and we got the 137 like that. Okay, TC, total cost. Now how can we find out? So likewise that it will complete it. Now how can we find out the AFC, average fixed cost? What formula I told you? Tell me. What is the formula? The formula is that AFC is divided by the quantity. So, sorry, TFC is divided by the quantity and we get the AFC. Clear? We divided 100 by 1, then 100. 100 by 2, 50. 100 by 3, 33.5. 100 by 4, 25. 100 by 5, 20. And 100 by 6, 16.67. Now, AVC, how can we find out the AVC? Here is the TVC. Is big brother. So we just divide TVC from the quantity and we got the AVC. 20 divided by 1, 20. 37 divided by 2, 18.5. 52 divided by 3, 17.33. 80 divided by 4, 20. Have you seen some changes are here? Just note down the changes. I will ask some about that. 21, 25, so 24 is there, then 27 is there. So AC, how can we get the AC? Two types, two formulas are there. First of all, we have to plus AFC plus VC equals to AC, or either TC divided by quantity, we got the AC. Clear? Clear to all of you? Now, we will go through the MC. What is MC? How can we find out the MC? Marginal cost. It is depend on the total cost. So first 100, nothing we have to do because no output is there. Now no TVC is there. TVC is 0, so that is why MC is 0. Now what we have to do? We have to divide minus 120 to the 100, we got 20. 137 to the 120, 17. 152, 137, 15. 180 to 152, 28. 120 to 180, 40. And all that thing. So we have to get the answer. How can we find out?